Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Tony here. So today we're headed out to the Lost Maples Nature Reserve. This is an area of, I'm going to call it, I guess, West Texas. There's a lot of really good riding in this area. This is the area of the Three Twisted Sisters. So it's a good campsite, a camp area, if that's where you want to go for a ride. So if you want to go ride that area, I would think this is another good park. Same as Garner State Park. Garner State Park is in that same location, so perfect for, you know, to go out there, ride, camp, and then go ahead and explore that area. Three Twisted Sisters, plus quite a few other areas to ride too. We're gonna go check it out, so come along. So we're in Kerrville right now, and normally the best route would be to take, I think it's 337, but 337, which is eventually turns into one of the sisters, is closed between Kerrville and where I'm headed. So we can't really take that, which is a bummer, but anyways, that would be the route to take. It's kind of late in the season for colors, but I can imagine that this whole ride here looks really similar to when we went out to Garner, and all the color that we had. We'll have to come back in the fall and check this out for sure. But still, this 39 is really a nice ride. I was thinking I wasn't going to get any good rides coming out here, but this is a pleasant surprise for sure. Well, here we are. Looks like definitely a cool park. All right, so now we're in, so we're going to go ahead and check this out. See what the campsite situation is here. It looks like a really nice park. I mean, just today, you know, right now we're late in the season, so we're not going to have all the colors, but I bet this place is just beautiful during the fall color, so we'll have to definitely come back here during the fall. Yeah, water's crystal clear. Beautiful. So this is the campsites of this place, so they're pretty limited to the actual, you know, camping. We'll have to look to see which number I had. These ones are along the road, and those back up on the mountain, which is a little bit better for that. It's 9. 10. Aha, 13. That's nice. You got your tent site right there. Go ahead and take a look and have some lunch. All right, so here's my campsite. You got your shelter and your bench. Got your power and your water. Your tent pad right here. This is nice. I mean, you're close to the road down there, but this would be really nice. You got some cover. You still get the stargaze. Very nice. Got your fire pit. All these sites here are pretty nice. It's definitely a small park. Lots of trails. This one looks like the most secluded 16. You don't have anybody right on top of you. There is probably a trailhead right there, but still, it's a nice one. $17.2, that's pretty secluded. That's a good one. These are a little more out in the open, right on top of each other, but they're still good ones. Here's a small camping area, but these are nice. I like these. These I can definitely see coming out here, you know, for a weekend ride and camping at one of those. You got your restrooms. Absolutely, really nice. They said this place was packed yesterday and it just cleared out. So there was probably a whole bunch of people here for the weekend, and everybody's already cleared out, headed home. But again, you know, you want to come out here for a weekend and go for a ride and all, you know, do the Sisters and some of the other nice rides. It'd be a good place to come, you know, and have a base camp and then go out for a couple days of riding, you know, short of getting a motel or something like that. I think that's totally the way to go. So you got this one and you have Garner. Garner's a little bit, you know, more spread out. A lot more camping, but this one's pretty cool because it's kind of tight and unique. I'm not sure what's down here, but we're gonna go check it out. And again, in the fall, I bet this place is just beautiful. It probably looks like the Ranger's place. We'll see. Yeah, this is the maintenance and Ranger's residence. But yeah, totally cool. I bet this place just rocks during the fall with all the color. Day use picnic area. Okay, so they do have a day use picnic area. That's overflow parking. Really nice. That water is just crystal clear. Yeah, definitely got to come back here in the fall and check out the colors. Okay, so here we are. Day use area, picnic area. Very nice. Right along the river there. This place is packed. Looks like most of the sites that are picnic tables that are right there looking over the river are occupied. Oh, there's quite a few open. We'll go check them out. Get a parking spot here. Yeah, this is a nice little picnic area. Yeah, but all these maples are all blooming. I'm assuming these ones without leaves are maples. Yeah, this is a nice, even if you're just touring the area and you just want to come and have lunch or something like that, these are really nice. There's a lot of them. They're all pretty much scattered along here. Very nice. You look down over the river here. Totally cool. There's quite a few of them. They're all scattered. It looks like there's some stairs going down. You could do covered picnics, or you got the open, some of the open ones, and then you got all these down here, which are really nice. Totally cool. You know, and again, there's no color because it's not fall. It's like late winter coming into summer or spring. Really nice. Definitely put this on my list for a good fall ride to come and do the sisters, come and camp for a couple nights. Definitely. Lots of trails here for sure. That would be another good thing. Come out here and go for a ride, and then also have a day to just come and check out the trails. Maple Trail, 8 miles. Very nice. Really cool. I think it's a nice, cool place for sure. Come and check out during the fall for all the colors. That's what it's known for. We had a little taste of those colors the first time when I went out to Garner, and I was just like blown away with all the dotted colors in this area. So I'm pretty sure this area is just over the top when it comes to that. For your three Twisted Sister ride, you come out here, camp, set up your camp, go on a ride, come back, enjoy, watch the stars, and go out for another ride the next day, come back to camp, and then you can head out. You've done some of the best riding in Texas without having to rush it, because if you're coming from Austin, it's going to take you 3 hours to get out here. And then to do all the rides and stuff, I mean, I did it, but I did it non-stop and got home at dark. So it would be much better to just come out here like now. I get out here at noon, set up camp, have lunch, and then maybe go for a ride or go for a hike and just hang out here. And then the next day you can get up early and you can hit all those wonderful roads and then have a place to come back to and camp. So yeah, here in Garner, perfect for this area if you want to explore and check out, because there's some dirt roads and stuff in between the three Twisted Sisters, which are adventures on their own. So there's quite a bit to explore in this area. So these are two really great parks for that, to be able to come and set up your base camp and then go on those explorations. We're going to do one more tour here and check this out. Give it a proper swish around. So this is the RV camping area, and the only camping area short of the primitive camping, which is quite a few primitive camping. So these are really nice. For like I said, you get a group of guys on bikes and you come and set up some tents and stuff, and it's a great little base camp. These are all, you can park and they're very accessible, and there's tent pads, and then you have water and you have electricity, so you can charge all your devices. You have your bathroom. It's fairly close. It's not like you're walking half a football field or a football field to get to it. So these are all really cool and nice. Some of them are on top of each other, some of them are a little more spread out, but still really nice. This one right here, 13, was the one I reserved. I wasn't able to make it out here, but I had reserved it a few months ago. But even these, all of these are really nice. This place was packed, sold out yesterday, so don't let this deceive you that it's like no one's here. This place was packed yesterday and sold out for day use and for camping. And this one's really nice because it's really secluded. You're on your own. You don't have a bunch of you know, like down there where you have people right on top of you. This is another really nice secluded one here too. You know, and then they get spread out, and you know, they're all really good. But if you want to be on your own, then those ones down there on the end are nice. These aren't bad at all either. I mean, they're for the purpose. If you're just coming out here and you just need a base camp, that's perfect. You know, you got your place to set up your tent, you got your shelter, you got your fire ring, you got your bathrooms, you know, you got easy parking, and you got water, and you got electricity. So what more can you ask for? So this is a perfect base camp for doing the riding in this area of the Three Twisted Sisters and all the other dirt roads that are associated with that. You know, short of getting a hotel, there's lots of resorts and stuff around here, but this is so much, for me, this would be so much better. You know, you could come out here and be out in the nature and so on, especially now, and you don't want to be around people or whatever. So yeah, big thumbs up on this park right here. Well, it's not really a park, they call it a nature area. It's a, you know, it's a state nature area. So whatever, you know, I call it a park. But yeah, very cool. We'll definitely put that on our list. So if you like this video and this was useful information for you, give me a thumbs up. That really helps grow the channel. Subscribe so you don't miss any of my future adventures and scouting and whatever we're doing. And we'll catch you on the next one. We're definitely we're doing something. So I don't know what's coming up next, but yeah. Adios, guys.